Hey everyone, this is Shirley and this is Jamming with Yarn. Today is Monday, March the 25th, and I'm coming to you with a cactus stash, or did I slack? Well, I started to attack and I love the yarn that Kim gave me. This is the second ball, and what I found out is I didn't have enough. So let me show you what I did, because I really did attack it, because it was like a new yarn. Yay! Even though I didn't purchase it, it was like a purchase and it was a gift and I really wanted to use it up. So, excuse me for looking down. I was going to work on a shawl. Well, I'm working on a shawl. And I figured I wasn't going to have enough of this yarn after the experience with that previous poncho. So I thought I was going to be really smart, Shirley. Use some black. You got black? So what I did was, I got this far. Now, it was going to be stripes all the way through, but I got tired. I have to be honest. It was like enough of that. So I just went on out and finished the yarn. If it looks different, I am on my laptop. So that's why it's like that. But it's going to be a poncho, and the other part was going to be black. Well, found out I didn't have any black, and what I'm learning is I don't have enough of the basic colors to get things done, and then I don't have enough skeins. So when I purchase items, I buy like maybe two or one, unless it's ice yarn and you get it in a pack and you get a lot, and then you like have a whole lot of yarn. But what I found out is I don't have the basic colors. So when I go shopping and start shopping again, I am going to make sure I have the basic colors always in stash. And then something I learned from DIY Creation and Not Enough Yarn podcast is that, and her podcast is named so because it's never enough yarn to get anything done. And with DIY Creation 7, she said she buy like 4 skeins of yarn. I think I'm going to do it that way so I can always make sure I have enough to complete an object. So I did go on Knit Picks and ordered some black yarn. I think I might have ordered some brown too. So I'll have that in stock. But so far, this is what it looked like. And if I look like I'm closer towards the back of the kitchen, I am, because I moved my table. So I don't have that much room. But it's going to be either this way, or I can do that way. I'm not quite sure how she put it together. But anyway, the other side is going to be all black. I think that part looked good like that. What do you guys think? I can't wait to finish it. So I do have enough to either make, what do you call the string things? String things. Oh, Lord. I don't know. You guys know. You know what? Someone said, and I think it was DIY Creation. How come every time you get on here, you can't talk? Okay, I can't think of the name. And so I'm just going to let you guys fill in the blank, the string things. So anyway, work in progress. I really wanted to have this completed, but it just didn't work out right. Then, since I didn't do that, I worked on another head wrap. And this is Little John's yarn. And this is a red, and this is cotton. 50% cotton, 50% acrylic. Lighting is not good in here. There you go. And this is my go-to head wrap. I really enjoy making those. So then I went to go work on my blanket, my C2C blanket. Somewhere I dropped the hook. And the good thing is that one hook has a rubber band on it, so I know it's specifically for this blanket. Couldn't find it. Looked all last week. Okay, just found it. I was gonna take this to work, but it's just so big. That'd be like really crazy to be taking this big blanket to work. I would have to go in the dining room, and then I couldn't sit where I normally sit and be able to see if, you know, if someone is in need. So the last time that you saw this blanket, sorry about all this light, I was here at the pink right here. And so I added this much before, and before I lost the hook. So from here to here, right there. You guys, that is really all I have. It was not a productive week for me. It was a hard, my anniversary. I'm not going to go much into detail because I went to more in detail on my other channel. But my anniversary and my husband passing was last week. And it was really hard on me. So that might affect what I could and could not do. And why I lost the crocheting hook. And you know how kind of weird stuff happens when those special dates come around. Life just happens. But I did last night start working on another, I'm trying to work up this yarn. This was a full skein too. This is a 50% cotton and 50% acrylic. I think it's called Cottonese or something like that. I'll put the information in the description box. So I just started this one last night. It's pretty green, like a Granny Smith apple green. That light is bad. Yeah, I like this one. Yeah, this is another one from Little John's Yarn. So that's what I do when I can't, when I'm stuck. I'm making head wraps, and I love them. The other thing that happened to me is I got a gift from Classy Kim Crochet. Thank you, Classy Kim. It was really nice because a lot of stuff she sent I was really looking forward. I was looking at online. It came in a package like this and a lot of stitch markers, a row counter. She has her card, so if you ever want to get something from her, and you know what, I couldn't wait. I had to open it. Oh, look at this. And on the back, oh, look at that. Isn't that cute? Okay. It is Classy Kim's Crochet. Oh, I like that. I like that. And she's on YouTube. Not YouTube, on Instagram. Yeah. So that is her card. Anyway, now, what I was looking at, because even though I haven't did a whole lot of purchases, I still look at magazines. I still get the emails, and I still dream of yarn. And I was looking at this, what she sent. I'm so glad she sent it. These little small crochet hooks. Man, she just knew. It was like, I was going to buy these. Thank you. I was going to buy these. A 5mm, a 4mm, and a 3mm. Thank you for this gift. I am definitely going to put it on my key ring to have it with me always. So even when I get in those strange areas where I just want to do something, I have a crochet hook. And it also can help with the knitting. I like this little idea right here. Real nice and simple. Then she sent some more progress keepers, and it has the letters for your hooks. Now, if I would have had one of these on my blanket, I could have just easily got another hook. So when she sent this, I was like, yay! And then this here, which is a ball of yarn. Isn't that beautiful? That's not the only one. So I am good for the year. And I actually was looking at this one too. I was looking at that hook. There you go. Little thing of yarn. Okay. And more. I like that. So 2 of these. Thank you very much. And this one. That one. This is a cute little package. And that one. And along with that, of course, a beautiful card. And I do appreciate it. And a 2019 and 2020 little pocket 2-year planner, which I need. So you guys go check her out. She's I know she's on Instagram and she's on Facebook. Again, that's Classy Kim's Crochet. Now, what else has been going on in my life? Well, I am on my laptop because my phone cracked. My phone cracked because I don't know why. I think, okay, I had my heating pad on and it was really warm because I just warmed it up, okay? And it's the homemade heating pad that you make yourself with the rice and the cotton socks and throw it in the microwave. Love it. Use it all winter. And I had it under my covers and I put my phone on top of the blanket and forgot. And I don't know, when I went back and went back in there and was like, I don't know if you guys can see that. Oh, you can't see that. It was cracked. And then the little shards of glass. Can you guys see it cracked like that? Look at that. This is the first time I ever had a cracked screen. Uh-oh. Hold on, y'all. Okay, sorry about that. My daughter. Anyway, so that's what happened. So now I have to go and get a new phone. I'm waiting for the yarn to come in to finish up my poncho, and then I can get to work on my blanket. What else is going on in my life is, you guys know about the anniversary. I'll put a link up at the end of, she's not going to give up, at the end of, sorry y'all, at the end of the video or in the description box, I'll put a link to my other channel so you can get a more feel of what I was going through and what I was feeling like and what my resolution to all those emotions that I'm going to do. You guys know that I have been talking about change has to happen this year, and it does, because it's time. It's time to change. I am ready. Just like right here, you see me right here, I'm so much closer to the sink because I have my table going this way instead of that way, closer to the window, because I'm giving my table away to a family member. And so I was trying to make sure it's clean, you know, and everything like that, so it's sitting a different way. My goal is to move out a lot of furniture and stuff and replace it with more furniture, of course, or leave it halfway minimalist look. Because now I understand, and I may have said it in the past, I understand now when people have something that goes on a person, their mate pass away, and they get up and move because it's just way overwhelming. Well, in my case, I was embracing it. I didn't want to let go of anything. But what's starting to happen now is I am starting to get that suffocating feeling like, oh gosh, it's too much now. Everything remind me of the past. And I think that is what's starting to, that was bringing in, especially on specific dates like Christmas and my anniversary, really bringing in a lot of strong feelings. So my goal is to get rid of a lot of just the furniture and things and try to make it look new. I'm going to make some more curtains for my kitchen, and maybe you guys will see that later. I always like that Gingham, is it Gingham look pattern, and I'm thinking I might do that for my kitchen. I had a really big kitchen window, and it's large, and they're really cheap windows too. Okay, so yeah, you didn't need to know that, but I just thought I'd tell you how my windows are very cheap. Anyway, you guys, that's it. Until next time, I will see you, and I will have something completed. I want to welcome all my new subscribers, and I do have a few of them. Most of them don't have a channel, so I welcome you for coming and being with me. And of course, my original subscribers who have stuck with me through the test of time, through everything. Thank you guys. And I just want to send out my love to some of the people in the crochet community, like Cindy of Hearts. I can't do that. Oh, there I go. See, I did it. Oops, wrong finger. Anyway, that's a prayer and a heart to you. That's my way of doing it. Okay. Um, I want to send my love to you. We're here for you as much as we can be at this distance. We are here for you. To Dana of Tabitha Hearts, I'm sending out my love to you. She put a very nice picture of her and her hubby, and I tried to comment on it and I lost it. So I got to go back and comment on it because it was so touching what she said, because love is good. Love is good, okay? And I'm trying to think of anyone else that I might be forgetting. I'm sending you my love. E, of course, the empty nester. You know I love you, girl, and I have to come see you this year. That might be the kick in the butt. My daughter is like, come on, Mom, we can do this, because, she's a traveling type person. So, I want to go out there and see her, and then I want to go see my granddaughter. So I may not have a job, because when you work for other people, you're only allowed 2 weeks, okay? And I may not have a job because I want to live my life. I want to enjoy these days. Life is good, no matter what's going on. Don't forget that. And sometimes you might have to make a hard decision. And like, you know what? I'm going to just jump out and just do what I want to do and see what happens. And, you know, nothing is promised. Nothing is promised. So if you got something you want to do, I think you and I need to start planning for it, because life is good, but it's also short, you know? Until next time, be the best that you can be for yourself and no one else. And whatever that best means for you is what I'm talking about. Take care. Bye-bye.